Esperar, esperar. And this is a very interesting verb because it has two interesting meanings. Okay? One that is literal and the other one is more like when talking about, objectives and dreams and things that you want to do or things that you wish for, So this is a very interesting verb. This means to hope or to wait. To hope or to wait. So it depends, obviously, it depends on the situation, but you can use it either in situations when you need to wait or when you're hoping for something to happen or not, right? So let's look at some examples. Espero saber de ti pronto. Espero saber de ti pronto. We're using esperar, and that means in this situation to hope. Okay? Espero, I hope. Okay? I hope to hear from you soon. I hope to hear from you soon. Espero saber de ti pronto. Okay, let's see how this phrase works. You can see right at the beginning, you can see esperar. Espero. Remember this. Espero means I hope. So you can start a lot of sentences by saying espero. Espero means I hope. So you can say espero que tengas un feliz cumpleaños. I hope you have a great birthday, right? Espero que, okay? Espero que is another interesting phrase that also means you can use it to say I hope. It's like saying I hope that. Okay, I hope that, and then ... whatever you want to say. But in this situation, you don't need que. Espero que, saber, that doesn't make any sense. In this situation, I hope to hear, you need to say espero saber. Saber means to know. Okay, so technically you're saying I hope to know, about you. You want to hear from that person. I want to know what's happening with this person. But if you say oír, espero oír de ti pronto, you're more like you just want to hear something about this person. Espero saber is the best phrase to say I hope to hear from, in this situation, de ti, from you, okay? De ti, from you, pronto. Pronto means soon, okay? Soon. And this phrase is very commonly said in Spanish. Espero saber de ti pronto. I hope to hear from you soon. Okay? That's a great example, Mr. Steven. ¿Crees que debería aceptar la posición? That's a great example. Thanks for sharing, Mr. Steven. Okay, Hassan L. Welcome. How to say I'm waiting on you. We'll see that. We'll see a similar example right now, actually. Okay, the next example is... Oh boy. Sorry about that. Espero que. Okay, actually, I have two more examples. Sorry about that. Espero que. Well, not sorry about that. I think it's a good thing that I have more examples, right? Espero que te sientas mejor pronto. We're again using esperar. and it means, again, I hope. Espero. And do you remember I said espero que is also commonly said? Well, this means I hope that, just like I said a few minutes ago, espero que te sientas, you feel mejor, better, very soon. Pronto. Same thing. You just need pronto, and that means soon, very soon, something that happens shortly. Okay? Espero que te sientas mejor pronto. Espero que. Remember that too. If you want to say, I hope that, okay, I hope that, you need to say espero que, right? Te sientas, that you feel, okay, or you feel, te sientas mejor, better, okay, pronto, very soon. Okay, excellent, excellent. Now, the next example, guys, is, the next example is, te puedo esperar, no hay prisa. Te puedo esperar, no hay prisa. So, in this situation, we're using esperar, and it means, of course, it means to wait. In this situation, it means to wait. Esperar means to wait. This means I can wait for you. Okay? I can wait for you. Te puedo esperar. Te puedo esperar. I can wait. And then in English, you need for you. Okay? I can wait for you. Te puedo esperar. No hay prisa is another great phrase to learn, and that means there is no rush. No hay prisa. There is no rush. No hay, there is no prisa, rush. Okay? So this is interesting. Now, Hassan asked how to say I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you to do something, right? You can say a very, very short and good phrase to learn to say that. You can say te estoy esperando. Okay? Te estoy esperando. And this means I'm waiting on or for you. Okay? I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting for you. It could be, used in different situations. You're literally waiting for someone to do something, right? So you're just saying, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Te estoy esperando. Te estoy esperando. You can also say, if you want to say yo, you can. Not YP, but I mean YP. You can say this as well. Yo te estoy esperando. But once again, you don't need yo all the time. You don't need personal pronouns all the time. So if you have it like this, it's perfect. Te estoy esperando. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting for you. Okay? Thanks for the question, Hassan. Okay. Espero. I love that. Brianna Lee says, espero que llegue el fin de semana pronto. That's such a great example. I hope that, the weekend is here soon. That's pretty much what it means. Thanks for sharing, Brianna. Perfect example. Mr. Steven, te puedo esperar, pero no mucho tiempo. No tengo mucho tiempo. So, okay, Mr. Steven, that's a great example. But you need, pero no mucho tiempo. That sounds incomplete. You can say, te puedo esperar, pero no tengo mucho tiempo. Oh boy. Okay, that's a long sentence. Okay, I'm just gonna have it there. So this means I can wait, pretty much wait for you, or I can wait, you know. I can wait for you. But I don't have much time. Okay? So this is the opposite, you know. Like you can wait, but you don't have much time. So apúrate. Right? So yeah, that's a great example, Mr. Steven. You can say that. Te puedo esperar, pero no tengo mucho tiempo. So I can wait for you, but I don't have much time. Or I can wait, you know. You can also, if you don't want to say, you know, to the person, I can wait for you. If you just want to say, I can wait, a different way to say that is just remove puedo. I mean, sorry. So you can say, puedo esperar. Puedo esperar. I can wait. I can wait. That's what it means. Puedo esperar. I can wait. Or you can just, you know, be more specific. If you're waiting for someone specifically, te puedo esperar. I can wait for you. Okay? Excellent. Excellent. Great examples. Lastly, guys, once again, remember, esperar means to hope or to wait. It depends on you, how you want to use it, you know, your situations. But it's good to know that esperar means to hope or to wait.